We're celebrating Sam's birthday by making chocolate peanut butter whoopie pies because he loves peanut butter chocolate creations. We're going to start with the ganache because you let it sit while you make cookies. So Erin's going to pour in the heavy whipping cream. We're doing it on the stove. You can do it in the microwave as well. We're going to cook it over medium-low heat until it comes to a boil. We already put our chocolate in this bowl on the side. You just want to make sure that it is an even layer on the bottom. Our cream is at a full boil. We're just going to pour it over our chocolate chunks. You want to pour it so they're completely covered.
And now for the cookies. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350. If you want, you can line your cookie sheets with parchment paper, which we did. And then you want to get a medium-sized bowl, and we're going to whisk together the flour, the baking soda, the cinnamon, and the salt. So we're going to whisk that together, and then you set it aside. And then you're going to get another bowl, and we're using a hand mixer. You're going to use your hand mixer, or if you have a mixer with a paddle, like a stand mixer, you can use that. You're going to cream together the butter and the sugars. So we have both brown sugar and then just regular sugar. And you want to cream that together for about 2 minutes. So we're all creamed with our butter and our sugar. It looks yummy. Now we're going to add the peanut butter, which is a half a cup. It smells really yummy. Then we're going to add the egg. And then we have the vanilla. And we were excited because it was 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Because vanilla is yummy. Once you're done mixing in your peanut butter, egg, and vanilla, you're going to take your dry ingredients and you're going to add that to your wet ingredients. And you're going to gently stir and combine until all the flour streaks have disappeared. Once you have your dry mixture mixed into your wet mixture, you're going to, if you have a cookie scoop at home, you can use a cookie scoop. A medium-sized cookie scoop, it says, or it's about 2 tablespoons each for each cookie, which we think is a lot. So we're interested to see what it looks like when it's done. So, and it says that it will make 11 whoopie pies, and each whoopie pie takes 2 cookies. So we're gonna see if we can make enough for our whoopie pies, and we'll be back for putting them after they're cooked and put them together. And let me tell you, it takes about 10 to 14 minutes to cook in your 350 degrees oven. You want to make sure that the cookie edges are tan and that they crack slightly on top. So that will be fun. We'll do that.